In a crowded workshop, engineers strip a retired delivery truck to its frame, turning the shell into a Modular Aero test mule. A lightweight composite canopy, adjustable rear wing, and tuned suspension fuse wind tunnel insight with real-world grip. They battle fuel system chaos and heat soak during high-speed runs, forcing clever routing and compact intercooling solutions. A data-driven ECU maps torque, while a gyroscopic stabilizer keeps the ramped chassis planted through gusts and sudden maneuvers. The result is a surprising leap in traction, stability, and acceleration, proving extreme mods can translate into everyday performance gains.